My name is Rohan, and I currently go to Fremont High School. For my main project, I made an adjustable socket that can be attached onto a ratchet. My first step in this milestone was attaching my motor driver onto my Arduino. I needed a motor driver because I was using a DC motor, which requires a high current, which the microcontroller in the Arduino cannot provide. For my next step, I coded my motor to actually work. For my final step, I incorporated my current sensor, so when I put up my serial monitor, it'd be able to tell me the current. One key part of my code is the digital write part, which defines which pin is high and which one is low. This simply dictates what direction the motor spins in. Another key part of my code is calculating the current using serial print. I knew that my input voltage was 5 volts, and it needed to be divided into 1023 equal steps. So I did 5 divided by 1023, and this gave me my raw voltage. I then subtracted the quiescent output voltage from this, or QOV, which is simply half of the input voltage. So in this case, it was 2.5. I then added a very, very small number to account for any error. This is how everything here works. This is my motor driver and my Arduino, and this is my DC motor, and this is the current sensor. So my serial monitor is up over here, and when I plug this in, the motor starts running. And currently over here, it says that there's no current, but when I hold the motor down, the current increases and it shows up right over here. So I can unplug the motor and the motor will turn off. So one challenge that I faced in when I was assembling all of this was coding. I'd never coded before in my life, so it was kind of challenging to learn how to. And another challenge I faced was calculating current, as I'd never experienced that before and was unaware about current. But I can safely say that I do know how to do that now. I started off by using an ammeter, but now I can use the current sensor and code it to work. And what I'm looking forward to in my next milestone is assembling the mechanical part of my project and putting everything together. Thank you.